What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the shop. Wow, that light is so bright. Almost, if I take my hat off, I could blind you. This is just going to be a quick video today because I got something in the mail from Great Britain, and I'd like you guys all to see it. And that's what's going on at Noah's house today. Okay, so I purchased this a couple weeks ago. Did take a little bit of time in the post. Oh, look, there's the queen on there to get here, but I'm cool with that. So I'll tell you what I'm going to do. Oh, and I'll put this nice towel out. Look at that. I have a cup of tea. I am going to flip the camera around. I'm going to get it, zoom it in here so I can open it up and we can all check it out. I've always wanted to do an unboxing. I'm like like a kid unboxing a Nintendo. And I do believe I've picked a good tobacco for the first time. Some Carolina Red Flake with Perique. You guys can check this out. So hey, give me a chance to reorganize the camera. I'll be right back. Ready? Okay. All right, camera's flipped around. As you can see, this comes from Blakemar Briars in Northampton Road, in a town that I can't say. I love England. Excuse me, that was my microphone. I love all that stuff, but I do have a hard time with the names. So let's get this guy open. Ooh, I've never really had my camera looking like that before. You know what? I'm going to just move this back a little bit. Don't anybody get worried. Oh, yeah. I probably should have moved it so this leg wasn't in there. Maybe I can do that. Are you guys okay if I do that? Oh, I think you'll be okay. Oh, my goodness. Oh. Okay, never mind. Turns out I don't know how to do that. I'm a goober. But I've been waiting, like I said, a couple weeks. No big deal because, well, you know, it did come from England, so I'm okay with that. I was taking a nap when I come home from work, and my wife woke me up and said, "I think you're going to be happy." And she was correct. My trusty little Gerber right here. Oh my goodness. What the? All right, I think I see what's happening here. Maybe I don't. All right, here we go. I don't know what way's up on this. Yee-hoo! Get that out of the way. Got some peanuts. I'll spin it around this way. Couple peanuts on there. Got my invoice. And all things considered, really not bad. Cost me £8 to ship it. And it was a total of £37.50, which equaled out to what, $45, something like that. And here she is. Check it out. Check it out. And Blakemar Briars, it is a smaller company. You know, I'm not going to say they are. Ooh, look how deep that bowl is. That's pretty deep. I'm not going to say this is like 100% artesian made, not that I know of. It's a nice little stamp on it. It's from the Aristocrat series, Blakemar Briars, made in England. Oh yeah. Well, it's got some dust and stuff. I have to give her a clean up. Like I said, I think I'm going to smoke a little bit Carolina red flake in there. It's rusticated. It's a rusticated billiard, large. It's a shape and size that I do like. Check that out. Hand rusticated. Oh, by hand. I'm going to be 100%. I'm not 100% sure how they do it. Check that. Got some nice grain right there. Really nice stem. Seats up pretty well. Like I said, it's a little dirty. Got to give it a little bit of a clean. I'll check it with a pipe filter. Pass a pipe filter through it. And I'm liking it. I am digging it. Also, I have it on video right now of what it looks like brand new, because I'm a clincher and I tend to put a mark right there and 2 marks right there on all my pipes. And it'll never be this shiny again, because I never can get it to shine the way it does, because I'm not going to buff them. But anyways, there it is. That's the new pipe. Let me get this stuff out of here. And where's a better shot? My Blakemar Briar Billiard, large, Aristocrat. That's a movie my kids used to watch. Aristocrat series. And I'm going to clean it up. I think I'm going to get a little bit of Carolina red flake for the first smoke out of there. Oh, so bright. That light is so bright. And I'll bring it back when I got it up, when I'm hitting a puff or two, and I'll tell you what I think of it. What do you think? I like it. What's up, guys? Saw the unboxing. Here it is. My new Blakemar Billiard, large, filled with a little bit of Carolina red flake. Set my camera up in a different spot, in a different way. I've been unhappy at how things have been looking. But now you can't see my really cool pipe stand that I made. Actually, I've had this for a while. A little piece of a leather belt in there, just because I don't want the briar to be touching old 2x4. So I've only filled this up 3/4 of the way. I've also, from smoking a pipe for a little while, learned from people that I fill my tobacco up too far. All my pipes have real bad charring on the top, which I've actually got it off with the magic eraser. But got my lighter going today. I'm gonna char this baby up. I'm gonna try to be a good pipe smoker and not clinch and put that tooth mark. There's that tooth right there. All my pipes have that tooth mark in the same place, except for my Peterson P-lip, which I know people don't like that style. A lot of people don't like that style, but I do. You know, my camera looks crooked up there, but I don't know. I guess it's straight. So here we go. This is the first smoke out of my pipe from England, out of my Blakemar Briar. And I will leave the link to them down below. I'll also leave the link to Cornell and Deihl. Although, if you're watching this, you know who Cornell and Deihl is. I'll leave the link to the Carolina red flake with Perique that says, if you don't have any, too bad. There's not hardly, it's never, I do know a place where I live where I can get some, but I'm not telling you. Actually, Allegheny Smoke Works. They still have House Reserve and red flake. The last time I was there, about 3 weeks ago. I'll leave their link down below too. I did clean it out. There's the rise. I did clean it out with a pipe cleaner, run it through a few times, a little pipe sweetener in there. You know, dust, stuff from shipping. I wiped my stem off. A little polishing cloth. Hey, guys there? Hey. Oh, I'm so ginger. I don't want to scratch. I don't want to touch me like other pipes. They fall. They bounce off of my mats down here and stuff. Well, first and foremost, Look, I gotta clean my stem off. Carolina Red Flake that stuff's awesome. I do have a tin of it in my cellar, which I'm going to make a video about the cellar. But this video is not about the tobacco. This video is about my new pipe. And I'm loving it. It's really cool. I love England. Anybody who knows me, some of my favorite gardeners are from England. My lineage goes back to England a long time ago. But I love English canal boats. I love all the canals. I watch those on YouTube. Cruising the Cut, Minimalist, a bunch of other narrowboating shows. They're a lot of fun. Get on YouTube, type in Cruising the Cut, Minimalist. There's a few I haven't put out in a while, but and that'll just lead you down this narrowboat trail of the inland British waterways, the canal systems that were built in like the 1700s. Awesome. So about the pipe itself, it's totally for me. The style, I do like the Billiards. I like the Ben Apples, but I do like the Billiards traditional style. And this one fits in my hand perfectly, just perfectly. The balance on it is great. I did opt for the taper. If you do get a hold of Blakemar, the website's fairly straightforward. There's 5 or 6 classes of their briar, super high end. There's a free hand. They're sold out of a lot of stuff. And this one, not being cheap or anything, but I don't know anything about them, so I got this one. This is kind of the mid-grade, the Aristocrat. I said it right this time. Just to check them out, to make sure I do dig them, which I do. And tons of shapes, a lot of cool stuff. No coffee tonight. It's hot tea, cream in it, and it's tea that I bought at Patel's. It is a traditional market from India, and I got this big 5-pound bag of this tea from India. It's great. I love tea. I'm not sponsored, but I wish I was. But anyways, this is about the pipe. I opted for the taper. Is that the taper? But the other one, it's not tapered like that. I can't remember the name of it. But there's all kind of different styles. He has bent, straight, and it seems to update pretty frequently. Like I said, I really don't want to bite my bit here. A lot of times I do smoke a pipe on the way home from work when I know there's going to be a lot of traffic. It turns my 20-minute commute into about a 60-minute commute. So I have a pipe bag and stuff, and I will bring a pipe. A pipe like this, I don't see me bringing on the Parkway East to get home. But other pipes, because this is so... I'm saying that now, but then I'm going to want to take it out. Pipe and Tamper, the podcast. If you guys don't listen to it. I'll leave a link to them down below too. Man, I should make a list of everything I'm going to leave a link to. But Jay on there, Jay Furman, he's hilarious, and he has a good point. And this guy buys high dollar, top end pipes with bamboo. He likes bamboo. His pipes are beautiful. Jay, if you're watching this video, which I doubt you're ever going to watch my videos, you ever want to part with one of them cool pipes, hit me up. My email's in the description. We'll work something out. Actually, I have talked to him on DM. He's the one I was asking about artesian pipes, which I'm going to try to start getting into, get better pipe. And this is the first step in some better pipes. Smoke's great. It's cool. The bowl's cold. I was read that one time. If you put the bowl on your face and it burns, it means you're smoking too hot. But Carolina Red Flake is something that I like to just relax on, sip it on. I'm just so happy about this pipe. It's so cool. I did my wife wanted to see it, and I said, I don't have a video unboxing it. And I did, and I ran up. I didn't want this video to be too long, but hey, what are you going to do? I like talking about my new pipe. Yeah, there's really not much craftsmanship. Looks good. Like Mike from Pipe and Tamper, who hosts Pipe and Tamper, you know, he said, always pass a pipe cleaner through it, which I did. Oh, there we go. That's better. Pass through nicely. I got a paper towel, some pipe cleaners just to get some dust and stuff out of it. I said I want to just clench it, but I don't want to. And those soft bits on there. I don't know. Maybe I'll try one on this. I think I have a couple upstairs. Oh yeah. The clinch. But the balance is great. Like I said about driving, I'm driving home and I have a pipe. A lot of times I hold it kind of like this while I'm driving, and I do have a couple pipes that just don't they don't feel right when I'm doing this. But this pipe right here is great. This is one of those scientists from the 40s. You know, right here is the theory of how we get to the moon. I don't know, but ooh, that's hot. I'm gonna wrap this up because I'm gonna sit here and enjoy my pipe. I'm gonna listen to the end of a podcast. Or it's not a podcast. It's actually a live broadcast on WMMS from Cleveland, The Alan Cox Show, and I'll leave a link to his website then, since I mentioned him. And I've been listening to Alan Cox for close to 20 years. But I listen to it on the Rover Radio app, which is MMS's morning show. So I'll have to leave a link to them below. Well, hey, if you've gotten this far into my video, thank you for watching. Like the video. Dislike the video if you don't like it. Subscribe. Share the video. Tell your friends. Just looking for some interaction with the Suburban Pilgrim. Click the buttons. That's what YouTube wants you to do for me and me to do for me. I will have some cool gardening stuff coming up. The weather's finally breaking a little. We do have a new adventurous item we're going to use this summer. I have some new stuff going into the garden. There's going to be a lot of work. And as always, I'll be smoking my pipe on these adventures. Lots of tobaccos to go through my cellar. Just different things happening. And if you made it this far, thank you. And have a good evening. Have a good tomorrow. And I'm going to relax with my tea. My new Blakemar pipe. Blakemar Briars. And Carolina Red Flake in there. That's about all I have. And that's what's going on at Noah's house today. Thanks. We'll see you.